Good morning, students. How are you, students? In our previous video, we have discussed about the basic introduction of exponents and power and base, exponents, power, index, exponential form, etc. In this video, we will going to discuss some laws of components, some laws of exponents. We have learned the laws of exponents in the previous class also. Let's revise what we have to learn so far. For example, if base is same and power are different and both are given in multiply, for example this a raised to power n m multiply a raised to power n, base a is same in both, power are separate, then we can write this base power will be add up. If base are same and is on divide, then power will be subtract. If this form a raised to power m and power n can be written as a raised to power mn, पावर्स आपस में मल्टीप्लाई हो जाएंगे. फॉर एग्जाम्पल, टेक एन एग्जाम्पल, 3 raised to power 2 multiply 3 raised to power 3 can be written as base same and power will be add up 2 plus 3, that is 5, 3 raised to power 5. Similarly, 3 raised to power 3 divided by 3 raised to power 2 can be written as 3 raised to power 3 minus 2, that is 3 power 1, that is 1. And 2 raised to power 2 or power 2, this can be written as 2 raised to power 2 multiplied 2, it will be 2 raised to power 4. In this way, if a b in this form, then it can be written as a raised to power m and b raised to power m separately. पावर सेपरेट हम कर सकते हैं. समथिंग any number raised to power 0 will be equal to 1. Any number will be raised to power 0 will be equal to 1. If any number has negative power, then if we have to make positive power, then base will be reciprocal. बेस का क्या हो जाएगा, रेसिप्रोकल हो जाएगा. बेस को हम क्या कर देंगे, उल्टा कर देंगे. एंड इन दिस वे we can solve any type of question. For example, this is given, find minus 5 raised to power 3 raised to power 9 divided by minus 5 by 3 raised to power minus 2. Solve this. In the both base are same, minus 5 raised to power 3 base same, power will be, if divide में है तो subtract हो जाएगी, 9 minus और minus 2, it will be minus 5 by 3, 9 minus or minus plus 2, it will be minus 5 upon 3 raised to power 11. In this way, we can solve all the questions of the exercise. Students, इन्हीं रूल्स का फॉलो करते हुए हमने एक्सरसाइजेज के क्वेश्चंस सॉल्व करने हैं। अभी तक आपने चैनल को सब्सक्राइब नहीं किया तो कृपया सब्सक्राइब कर ले, ताकि आगे आने वाली हर वीडियो का नोटिफिकेशन आपके पास ज़रूर पहुंचता रहे। थैंक यू।